Let's talk with Norm.
We're with
Norm Lutton.
Norm, you're the owner of Crazy Car Restoration. Why don't you tell us a little bit about that?
Well, it's a new company we're opening up. Originally, we was Lutton Auto Repair, and we're adding on a little bit. And we're trying to bring out some custom cars for people somewhere in between the $5,000 and $20,000 range, what people can actually afford today. Anymore, all these cars are so expensive. We're just trying to make ends meet for other people.
That sounds great now.
But I've been fixing cars for over 35 years.
That's great.
So when you have a repair, big or small, call Norm.
Bill's Bake Shop will make you happy. Bill Cast is the owner, and he and his staff keep the tradition going with all those bakery items that you remember as a kid. Just to name a few items, Bill makes cream sticks, cinnamon rolls, bear claws, cream horns, cannoli, cakes, pies, cookies, bread, pizza, and so much more. Bill's Bake Shop, located at 228 North Liberty Street in the Mahoningtown section of Newcastle, is open Tuesday through Saturday, 7 to 5, and Sunday, 7 to 2, closed on Monday. Bill's, where smiles are everywhere. Call 724-654-4223.
Fall into entertainment with NCTV45 and NC Radio 450.
Many treasures. Now let's talk with one of the owners. Hi, this is NCTV45, and your name is?
Paula Mandaglio.
Paula, pleased to meet you. Can you tell us a little bit about 2Ps, gifts and thrifts?
Absolutely. Our thrifts and gifts. We do high-end thrift items, personalized gifts, and repurposed furniture.
We're going to catch up with Peggy.
Sure.
Is?
Peggy Cousins.
And can you tell us a little bit about thrifts and gifts? 2P. You have giftware.
Uh-huh.
And I see the kids' clothes.
Mm-hmm.
You're a mini department store.
Correct.
There you go. Well,
we have something for everyone.
2P, gifts and thrifts.
We have a great relationship with Main Street Clothiers and Custom Tailors in downtown Newcastle at 210 East Washington Street. And whenever you watch Focus NC, my wardrobe is furnished by Main Street Clothiers and Custom Tailors.
It's Butts Flowers when you want a wide variety of flowers for any occasion. They also have a selection of fine gifts and more. Butts Flowers is conveniently located in downtown Newcastle at 120 East Washington Street. Call Butts Flowers at 724-652-7727 or toll free from anywhere, 1-800-443-7726. It's Butts Flowers in downtown Newcastle.
Whether it's a scheduled appointment or same-day service, DiCaprio Carpet Cleaning offers 24/7 service for commercial, industrial, and residential, as well as fire and water damage restoration. Using state-of-the-art technology, DiCaprio Carpet Cleaning experts are ready to professionally clean your carpet today. Call DiCaprio Carpet Cleaning for a free in-home estimate. Thank you for making us Lawrence and Mercer County's largest carpet cleaner.
And remember, nobody gets your carpet cleaner.
Hello, and it's time for another Cook in the Castle. This is Angelo Perrotta, and today we're going to take on that Philly steak sandwiches, but we're going to do it a little bit different, kind of Newcastle style. We went out and got some English cut roast. We have mushrooms, bacon, onion, of course, some salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning. Now, of course, we're using our liner, and we're going to, we've cooked our bacon just slightly. We're going to put our meat in here, and I'm going to show you, we're going to season it and let it get to that right type of texture so we can have our Philly steak sandwiches. Now let's take a look at putting them in. Now, as I said, we have our beef in the pan. What we're going to do is just season it with some salt and some pepper. If I can, there we can. And I'm going to use a little Italian seasoning for this, just to kind of give it some flavor. Now, after I've done that, I'm going to add my mushrooms. And I'm a mushroom kind of guy. So I'm going to put those out there. Notice I'm putting the mushrooms on the bottom. The reason being, the bacon is going to flavor these mushrooms just perfectly. Got the mushrooms on the bottom. Now the next thing is our onions. In onions, everybody's, do you put a lot? Do you put a little? Put whatever you feels great for your group. And then last, but definitely not least, is our bacon. There's a couple more onions that got away. And I'll just let that bacon stuff drip down on there. Now I'm going to spread the bacon out a little bit. So it kind of flavors everything. There you go. It's our kicked up Philly steak sandwiches. And we'll put them together, but not for 6 to 8. Take a look at these messages and we'll come back and see how our crock pot is doing.
The Crane Room for your lunch and dinner rendezvous. You'll enjoy their pleasant atmosphere. The Crane Room takes pride in their wide variety menu. Appetizers, sandwiches, soups, salads, entrees, pasta, and the best burgers in town. Newcastle's best selection of domestic, import, and craft beers from around the world, and the Crane Room features a 35-tap draft system. Ask about their daily specials that will please you every time. The Crane Room is located at 3009 Wilmington Road in Neshannock Township. Call 724-656-1553.
The Beanery Depot and Deli. Coffee, made-to-order subs, snacks, and more. Meatball sandwiches, fresh and hot. Pepperoni rolls, fish sandwiches, chicken, milkshakes. The Beanery Deli. When you're hungry for something special and it won't cost you a lot. Now, as you can see, our meat is done. Our onions are caramelized. And our mushrooms are ready to go. I've already started putting some of the bacon and onions in the dish. So we'll let this rest for a few minutes and then we'll start making our sandwiches.
It's Butts Flowers when you want a wide variety of flowers for any occasion. They also have a selection of fine gifts and more. Butts Flowers is conveniently located in downtown Newcastle at 120 East Washington Street. Call Butts Flowers at 724-652-7727 or toll free from anywhere 1-800-443-7726. It's Butts Flowers in downtown Newcastle.
It's fall. Don't be a leaf and hang around. Watch NCTV45 and listen to NC Radio 450.
It's Little Johnny's Pizza 2 in downtown Newcastle with a great variety menu that you will tell everybody about. Chris Quiera, the owner, is here with more information.
Stop down and see us at Little Johnny's 2. We're located at 130 East Washington Street, or give us a call at 724-657-2210.
Make it Lanigan's Irish Pub, where you'll be amazed with the weekly specials. Pub grub, salads, burgers, sandwiches, Irish specialties, and desserts. Lanigan's has a full bar featuring domestic, craft, and Irish draft beer. You can also book a party at Lanigan's at 126 East Washington Street in downtown Newcastle. As they say at Lanigan's Irish Pub, the best Irish food since Ireland. Call 724-657-3444.
And there you go. Our Philly steak and cheese. With a side of those hot peppers we canned from the farmer's market. Now, I like lots of cheese on mine, but for a photo op, I wanted to show you the meat. A Philly cheesesteak plated up with roasted potatoes. Plated up with roasted potatoes, canned hot peppers. This is Angelo Perrotta for Cooking the Castle, and it's like I said, you're going to love it.